Today I woke up and I decided it's time to do a Canva tutorial. Today we will be doing the viral half graphic, half writing designs that we've been seeing going around. Been very intrigued in that. Today's going to be a very basic tutorial, very simple. We're going to start off in Elements. I've already typed up tiger. That's what we're going to be working with today. And for today we're going to search for a free design. I do have Canva Pro, but for those of you that are tuned in that do not have Canva Pro, I want to show you guys the possibilities. And if you have a design that you like, you can also use that. Okay, so let's scroll down, searching. I kind of like this one. So we're gonna work with this one. I do want my image to have a little color to the background. So I'm gonna X that out. I'm gonna look for glitter backgrounds. Okay, let's see all. Again, I'm gonna scroll down and use one that is free. So this one is free. And for those that's wondering, that's the name. I should have known the tiger as well, but this is a name for the glitter. Let's see how I like it. So I'm just gonna right click. I'm gonna go to position. I'm gonna send that all the way to the back. Let's see if I like it. I'm going to minimize this a bit. Let me see. This is a graphic design, so you can change the color. I am going to see if I like it in any other color. Not really. Okay. We're gonna go with this just for the sake of the video. And then I'm gonna show you guys how I do it with my personal images. So now that we got this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna download this image. Okay. Sorry, I got a little bit lost right there. Gonna go into my downloads. There's my image. I'm just gonna get rid of this one. Okay. And then we're just gonna fit it to the design. And our next step is we're gonna go over to here. We're gonna go down to apps. Okay. And the app that you're looking for is Font Frame. That's what we're gonna be using to make our frame for this image. So here in Font Frame, we're just going to scroll down, excuse my voice, and it's already saved here, I guess, from a previous design I did. So it's already here. And for those that, don't know how, you just gonna highlight whatever was here, and then I'll just do it again. You're gonna type return. Okay, so they not like us. Here we're going to go up to here and we're going to choose the selected. If you unselect it, this is going to go away, so make sure you have it selected. Use selected item. I kind of do like how it looks here, but we're going to go a little further, so you can move it around a bit. So I'm going to move it to about there. And because I want to blow it up, it's going to be a little harder. Let me see if I can do that. Okay. So here you're going to just scale it right here to the size that, you're more comfortable with. And then once you do that, you come up here and you do it like this. I want to scale it, make it blow up a little bit more. So I'm going to go to about 2.3. Okay. And then I'm going to move it over like this. I like that. Add it to the design. Oh, my apologies. I want to decrease the outline thickness. So I'm going to put it down maybe to about 10, 13. Let's see what that looks like. Okay. 13 is good for me. Okay, again, we're going to scale it down. Delete this. We're going to remove the background for this one. Oh, okay, that's not working out for me. I'm used to removing the background from my own images, but it seems as if it's embedded. Okay, let's scroll up. Go back into elements. And you don't really have to search tiger again because it's in your recent designs. So let's delete this. Change the color back to blue. And what I like to do is now this is where you want to blow up your image. So I like it about there. And then we're going to blow up this one. And I'm going to blow it up and try to fit it to my image. Let's see. Yep, that's about right. Okay, so now I'm gonna just position this to the back. Okay, so I have to position it to the front. I mean, you could do it like this if that's what you like. You can do it like this and just change the color. I like how that looks. But that's not what we're gonna do today in this video. So now all I'm gonna do is just bring this to about, let's go about here. And you can bring it as far as you feel fit. Actually, I want to bring this a little bit further just to cover up the bottom. I don't like how down there is looking. Okay. And there you go. And if you want the tiger to cover more, this is what I do. I duplicate. I fit it. Then we're going to drag this one back out to here. And then I'm going to do this. And bring it up to about right there. Seems good. Okay. Once you do that, you could just highlight everything and group it, and then you could resize it without anything being disrupted. And there you go. Now let's do another one. This time I'm going to use one of my designs. So I'm going to go to upload. I'm going to use this one. So I have already picked my background, as you can see. Same process as I did earlier. And the reason why I download it in a miniature version is that way when you do go to font frame, it's when you scale it, it's able to scale, because if you download it too big in a larger format, then it's not really going to work out the way you want it to work out. You're not going to have that many options in terms of scaling because it's already large. Okay, so let's go to the apps again. Go back to font frame. And there's other frames that's here that I like. And another thing as well, depending on how you're doing your t-shirt, I didn't mind mine there, but it could be a good idea. I like the 3D type of effect, the mirror type of 3D effect, how it overshadows the image. I like that. Oh, actually, I kind of like that. I'm going to leave that there. I like how that looks, but if you want it to be more of a side by side, centering it to the left is good. So I'm going to show you how I did mine. So again, let's highlight this. Let's move the screen down a bit so this one takes center stage. We're going to use selected. Okay, so right now, let's do this. Okay. Let's see what 2.9 is doing for us. Going to scale it down a little bit because that's a little bit too big. Still a little too big. I want to scale it down until I get to the shoe. So I could do a half and half type of thing. So there we go. That looks pretty good. Now we're going to add it to the design. And actually, let's see what it would look like if it was a little bit thicker. You could also change the color of the outline, but I'm going to leave it black. So let's go 19 and see what that's looking like. Okay. Just a little bit bigger. There we go. Now we're going to click on this one. And again, you can leave it like that, or you could do it like that. And there you go. There is your image. Ready for your t-shirts. Okay, so that's it for today. If you guys have any questions, comments, please feel free to leave it in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer everyone if I can, or as much as I can. See you in the next video.